Hey, how's it going? My name is Nate Howell and welcome to the farm. All right, we are back at our dove field we planted 2 weeks ago to give you guys a little update on how it's going. So far, it's going pretty good. They've sprouted. They've come into 4 leaves so far. They'll grow up to be bigger. We're battling a lot of grass. I'm gonna try to get with some friends and see if we can spray on the grass that know a lot more about plants and chemicals than I do, because more than likely I'll kill it. But I'm gonna get with some friends and we'll come up with something. But to be honest, we should have used a planter, because this stuff is thick. We got too many seeds too close together. But so far, so good. I mean, the plants are growing. They're coming in pretty good. They're a lot thicker than I want. But that's because I didn't have a spreader and I was broadcasting with a 5-gallon bucket and a cup. So, right now it's doing okay. I'm about to spread some ammonium nitrate on it, which I'll show you here in a minute. So, let's hope for the best. Okay, I'm gonna put some ammonium nitrate out on this field to try to boost these sunflowers to get them to grow a little quicker and be more green and all that. So I went to the co-op and got this ammonium nitrate. We used it in one of the other videos, I think, that I had some left over. But I'm just gonna broadcast it. It's supposed to rain this week, so it should soak into the soil. So we should be good. Well, all right, there you have it. I think other than the grass, this field's doing really good. We got some plants that are to the 4-leaf stage. I think some are to the 6 or 8 leaf down there that I saw. So we spread the ammonium nitrate to give it a little boost. Hopefully it'll green up and it'll sprout up a little higher and outgrow this grass. Like I said before, I'm gonna talk to some of my buddies and see if there's anything I can do with the grass. I don't believe there is, because I didn't get the Clearfield variety. I got just a regular pear Dovic seeds, and I don't think you can spray anything on it. Check back with us in about 2 to 4 weeks. I'm gonna come back and do another update on this field. And to get notified, if you hit the little bell below and if you'll subscribe, it'll send you a notification when we post videos so you guys can keep up with us. And like always, until next time, I'll see you on the farm.